Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add videos to GetResponse emails quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Email Marketing in the left-hand menu, then click Create Newsletter, or open an existing email draft. If you want to add a video to an email you already created, choose the Drag and Drop Email Editor option. Enter your email details like the subject line, sender name, and sender email address, then click Next. Now, choose a template or start with a blank email. Once you're inside the GetResponse email editor, look at the Content Blocks panel. Find the video block and drag it into the place where you want the video to appear in your email. Now click on the video block. GetResponse will ask you to enter the video URL, usually from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Paste your video link into the video field. GetResponse will then automatically generate a video preview thumbnail inside your email. When subscribers click that thumbnail, they'll be taken to watch the video on the original platform. You can also adjust the spacing, alignment, and placement of the video block to fit your email design. Once your video looks good, continue editing the rest of your email, then click Next to review your email. After that, you can save it as a draft, schedule it, or send it right away. That's it. You've successfully added a video to a GetResponse email. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials.